I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is MetForm. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select RestrictContent for action. Here give the meaningful integration name as you want. Now click Connect. RestrictContent is successfully connected. Click Next. Select the respective action as you want. Select the respective membership level as you want. Now map the field. There is no user map option, so you must submit the form from the user login. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data will be sent. Click Next. Now save the integrations. Now go to another user login page and log in. I have already logged in here. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. Also, go to RestrictContent and check the expiry date is added or not. Here is the data coming into RestrictContent form Bit Integrations plugin. Thanks for watching.